Let's go through equal to 633. Sum of square numbers. For this question, it gives us integer c, and let's decide whether it can be write as the sum of two squares of two integers. So, for example, 5 can be write as 1 plus 4, right? 1 is the square of 1, and 4 is the square of 2. And for example, this question I test 4, right? 4 is 0 plus 4. That is also correct. And also 2 can be write as 1 plus 1, right? That also return true. So for this question, what I was thinking about is that we need to find whether there is two numbers can be added to C, right? So we know the smallest, for example, we use a left pointer, which is point to 0, and the right pointer we point to square root C, possibly plus 1, right? And we do something like if the left nums left plus nums right is greater than C, then what we do is that we should move our left pointer, right? So that the result will be close to C. And if this is smaller than C, right, then we move our right pointer so that our result will be more close to C, right? If it equals, and then we'll change true. And until left and right meet, right? If they meet, and we jumping out of the while loop with the meet, we still didn't find any left and right. The square sum to be C, then we return false. So let's write code for this, right? We're going to have the things that because this C can be integer max, right? So it's possible that when we have left plus right greater than C, right? This kind of range will be greater than the integer range. So to be safe, we should use some kind of long for this kind of variables, right? So let's have long left equals 0, right equals let's convert this to be long. Math dot square root C, and let's add this to one set. Will always cover more than C, right? So what we do is that while left smaller equal to right, if left want left plus right multiple by right. If this is smaller than C, right, then we'll have left move, right? Move the left pointer. Else if we can put this variable outside so that we just calculate once, right? In the current equals, let's put this as long, right? If current is smaller than C, and else if current greater than C, then we move the right pointer, and else return true. If left and right pointer the mates, right? And if left is more than right, after jumping out of the while loop, left will be on the right or right. So this will be left. Then we return false. And let's write the Python version. So we'll have left, right equals 0, and int C 0.5 square root plus 1. And we'll say while left is smaller equal to right, current equals the left multiplied by left plus right multiplied by right. If current greater than C, then we'll have right move the right pointer. And if current is smaller than C, we're going to move the left pointer. And else we return true. Otherwise, after we jumping out of the while loop, we just return false. The time complexity will be the square root of C, right? Because what we move is from the 0 to square root of C plus 1, right? In this range.